Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore a useful trick in Terraria, how to duplicate item. Whether you are looking to build something big or just want to stock up on resources, this method will help you achieve your goals. To duplicate items in Terraria, you will need to use a simple glitch that take advantage of the game's multiplayer features. First, place a chest in your world and fill it with the items you want to duplicate. Save and exit your world. Next, go into multiplayer mode and host a game in the same world. Open the chest and place the items in your inventory. Now quickly close the game using Alt plus F4 before the Save completes. When you reload your world in same player mode, you will find the items are still in your inventory and also remain in the chest. This means you have successfully duplicated them. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to accumulate more items. That's it. This method is a great way to get the resources you need without spending hours mining or farming. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.